In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Bitdefender Antivirus update error. If you're experiencing issues with updating your Bitdefender antivirus software, don't worry. We're going to resolve it together in just a few simple steps. Ensuring your antivirus software is up to date is crucial for your computer's security, as updates often include patches for vulnerabilities and enhanced protection features. First, let's open the Bitdefender application on your computer. If you're not sure where to find it, navigate to your Applications folder or search for it using the search bar near your Start menu. Now, once you have Bitdefender open, you're going to want to direct yourself to the Settings section. This is typically indicated by a gear icon, often found at the bottom corner or along the side menu of the application. Clicking on Settings will take you to a new menu where we can make necessary adjustments. Inside the Settings menu, you'll find an option labeled Update. Click on it. This is where Bitdefender handles all its update preferences and status checks. You might notice some information about previous updates or any failed attempts to update. If there's an update pending or if you notice an error message, don't panic. This is exactly where we make things right. Now, look for the Update Automatically option within this menu. This setting, when enabled, allows Bitdefender to update itself without needing input from you every time. If it's not already turned on, go ahead and click on it to enable automatic updates. This is an important step because automatic updates ensure that you get the latest protection without any delay, improving your system's security stance. Once you've turned on automatic updates, let's verify that everything is set up correctly. Go back to the Update menu and see if there's an option to check for updates immediately. Clicking this will force Bitdefender to reach out to its servers and download any available updates right away. If the update starts and completes without any hitches, great job! You've successfully sorted the issue. However, if there is still an error, it may need a deeper troubleshooting or a check of your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable, as this can affect the update process. Also, restart your computer. It can sometimes help in resetting any glitches the system might be facing. And just like that, we've tackled the Bitdefender update error. If you continue to face challenges after following these steps, consider reaching out to Bitdefender's support team for more targeted assistance. Remember, keeping your antivirus updated is a vital part of maintaining a secure and smooth-running computer. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay secure.